Good morning, students. This is class 8, chapter 12, geography, and this is my 7th video of social science to you. In my previous video, we have done distinguish between. Now we will do short and long question and answers. The short answer, that is exercise E, short answer is name the categories of resources based on utility. Answer will be you will take from the question. The categories of resources based on utility are agricultural resources, pastoral resources, energy resources, and mineral resources. Now question number 2. Name the 3 important stages in the development of resources. From the question you will take the 3 important stages in the development of resources are. Answer is over here. Answer E2. Number 1, preparation of inventory of resources. Number 2, evaluation in terms of availability for development. Third, planning of exploitation of resources. Now we will come to the descriptive question. Question number 1, what are resources? Describe the types of resources and their importance. Now page number 68, in the beginning only. From here from those things से लेकर 4th लाइन तक natural resources तक. Now question number 2. Mention the chief characteristics of resources. Here is the answer. Long one. Resources have 3 main characteristics, namely 1, utility, 2, limited availability, 3, potential for depletion or consumption. Scarcity is the fundamental economic problem of having humans who have unlimited wants and needs in a world of limited resources. Now question number 3. Which 4 types of values are associated with resources? You take only this much of question. बस इतना ही क्वेश्चन लीजिएगा. ये आगे का क्वेश्चन जो है what are called resources काट दीजिएगा. तो इसका आंसर भी है which 4 types of values are associated with resources. तो आंसर is the 4 types of values associated with resources are. Number 1, economic values. Number 2, legal values. Number 2, ethical values. And number 3, aesthetic values. Now question number 4. Describe about agricultural resources. Page 70. Agricultural resources, the full paragraph you will write from agricultural resources till benefits. Now, question number 5. What is meant by human-made resources? Give 2 examples. Question is on page 70. The articles which are made से लेकर उसकी दूसरी लाइन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मैन मेड रिसोर्सेज तक. Now question number 6. What are actual or developed resources? Give 2 examples. Page number 70. Actual or developed resources. From actual or developed resources, the whole paragraph, this has become our developed resources. Now I have given you all the question and answers, and you do it in your exercise book. Rest will be in my next chapter. Thank you.